Hi, I'm Mark Joye, head of the litigation department at the Joye Law Firm. Today I'm going to talk to you about buying car insurance in South Carolina and how you can make some smart decisions about the coverage you buy. And I won't have a pet lizard or some guys playing ukuleles or a guy destroying everything you own. These skits may be funny, but they don't tell you anything about making smart decisions on how much coverage or what types of coverage to buy. Price alone is not the only factor. All too often, a person's claim for damages is limited by the amount of insurance coverage someone either bought or forgot to buy, and their life is ruined because they didn't know better when they were purchasing this coverage. First coverage is liability coverage. The question here to ask is, if you cause a car wreck and hurt someone, how much coverage should you buy to pay for that person's injuries before your personal assets are at risk? Yes, just because you bought a certain amount of insurance coverage and it gets paid does not insulate you from still being held responsible for all the damages you caused. How comfortable are you with that risk? The minimum amount of liability coverage required in South Carolina is $25,000 per person. And we all hear about the rising cost of medical care. I've seen plenty of situations where someone goes to the emergency room after a car crash and their ER bill alone exceeds $10,000. From there, the bills can easily get to $25,000 real quick. Of course, buy the coverage that you can afford, but be mindful of the risk that you take if you buy too little coverage and you cause serious injuries to someone. In my next spot, I'll talk to you about buying uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage. In the meantime, if you need help on your auto crash, just call Joye.